It is not just about the money. It is about what you achieve on the pitch. The boss knows what he's doing. To be here with all those great players applauding me is a dream come true. I have the chance to do for a living what I like the most in life, and that's playing football. I can make people happy and enjoy myself at the same time. He is the man that makes the difference between a team that plays well and another that is really memorable. He alone can decide one game. It was lovely to receive the affection from some of the supporters of our biggest rival. It doesn't happen to you very often in your career. I am very happy in this side, and this type of contentment doesn't have a price. I want for nothing here and look forward to staying for many years. We put on a great show. It was our best performance of the competition. I'm pleased firstly because of the win and secondly for helping the team with my goals. It's a good result for the team and we have to keep working. I am passionate about music, and people think because I go to places where I can enjoy music, I have to be partying. It isn't true. I am ugly, but what I do have is charm. I have never imagined doing anything other than football, but now, thinking about it coldly, if I hadn't been a footballer, I would have been a musician. I think it is an important award because no one can judge soccer better than the players themselves. The toughest opponents for me are the defenders who are tough in the way they play, where you can't see a way through. Ever since I was a kid, I've dreamt about winning the Brazilian League, and I still dream about it now. I am doing everything I possibly can to make my dream come true. Football is about joy. It's about dribbling. I favor every idea that makes the game beautiful. Every good idea has to last. I think each player has an individual style. Each is concerned with giving the best to his team, and I think my best talent is dribbling and setting up goal situations, giving an assist or deceiving one of the other team's players.